So sometimes you may want to know where your visitor is from and want to collect visitor data. So in that case, you can use the get visitor location widget. So to do that, you can go to the widget section and type in get visitor right here, and then you can see the get visitor location widget right here. Click on it and you'll simply see the details right here that you want to collect. So if you were to go to the widget setting, of course you can change the custom CSS right here, but under general, you can go ahead and hide or show the details and enable out, let's say, IP, region right here. You can enable the country right here. You can go ahead and change the regional code. Simply go ahead and enable everything right here as you want. And all of these details right here are automatically collected right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and say your details right here, just like this. And as I do that, and then let's say, for example, if I were to preview out the form, all of those details will be collected and will be submitted out with the form. And this is, of course, different according to different people that fills out the form right here. And that is basically how you can go ahead and use the get visitor location widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.